this. This is the amazing person from Cars. Also known as Lightning McQueen. Okay. Now, what is up, my Bees? Welcome to the Hive, and I'm your host, Bee. Today we are going to be doing a full Glamorous makeup tutorial today. We will be using the Matte Metallic LA Colors palettes, the Maybelline New York Gold palette, not the palette, the No Name palette yet again, coming in strong, the Almay Intense Eye Color, the Wet n Wild makeup sticks, highlighter, concealer, and contour. Foundation in shade Fair Ivory, and we have mascara by CoverGirl. And then we have makeup brushes and a sponge for our fat face. Ha 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 ha. Okay, now to begin. First off, we're going to want to do our makeup, obviously, but before we do any of that, we must pull back the hair that we do have. Indeed. You just pull it back. And yeah. And next things first. Then we're going to go right in with the contour, and you're just gonna mark yourself up. You're gonna go like, oh. But not too much on this part. And also down here to make that jawline poppin'. And then on the sides of your nose. Okay. Next, you're going to take the concealer and you're just going to go underneath your eyes. Make the big fat triangles, and then also right here in your T-spot. T. Okay, now the final. Not final, but the final. You're just going to slap on some foundation everywhere. Okay, now you're going to take this beauty blender. You're just gonna, slam it into your face. Oh yeah. Get up and personal with it. It might hurt slightly around the eyes, but that's a-okay. Oh, and make sure you give it all over your lips. Next, we are going to take the brown palette that we have, and we're just going to put on the basic of a nice highlight here. And then we're just gonna rub it all over the eye to make it the same color. Unless you're me and realize that there's still makeup on the brush. But that's okay. I can live with that. Now we're going to go in with this lighter shade right here. And just go like all out. Just, you know. And then doop, doop. And then just apply it. Sorry.
Oh.
Oh! Who is she? Oops. Okay, we're going with it. You know what? Maybe I don't like the one color sort of deal, so I'm gonna go with this crease blue and just schlong. Schlong. Ho ho. Okay, now. That you see I've messed up here, we're just gonna blend it. Okay. Look at here. You're gonna get this, and you're gonna correct it. Because no one likes this unless you do. Not hating. If you do that, that's fine. Okay. Now you see? Little foundation didn't hurt nobody. Once you do. Ayuki. Okay. Now that we've mostly fixed our eyeshadow, we're going to take the correction or conceal, and we're just going to also put that on our eye. Just like so. And then you're going to take the beauty blender and blend it up. But only amongst your lid. Okay. Boom. Now we got one eye up finished. We're going to take this brush, but clean it off. Okay, now we're going to go into the matte metallic, and we're going to take this crease color and just slab it on there. Tap it off. Go into your other eye. No. Okay. Then you're gonna take the lighter shade here and then just fill in your rest of the eye. Boom. And then, since you might see, I made quite a mistake there. So I'm just going to take the foundation and brush it up. I got it in my hair. Oopsies. And then you're just going to take your beauty blender and blend it out. Woo! So. And you're going to take the concealer and, like you did with the other eye, slab a little on, and then just blend it out. Blend, blend. Okay. Next, after you have blended and made both eyeshadows, you're going to take the Maybelline gold, and you're just going to take a little bit onto the brush, little applicator, and just pop it in the corner of your eyes. Just smear it out. And then do the same. Put it in the corner, smear it out. And that'll do. Then, I'm going to take No Name palette and then open it up and use this small applicator and take the middle shade and just pick it up, tap, 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 and go on your eyelid. This will be for both eyes. It's just because everyone needs more glitter in their life, obviously. It's just a fact. It's just a fact and a half. Boom. Okay. Now, you're going to take your eyeliner and you're going to brush some of the eyeliner stuff off. And then, oops. And then put it on the eye. Try not to blink. I know it's kind of hard. And then just lightly bring it up. And then lightly bring it back down. That looks good on camera.
Yeah.
Are you honest about it? Oh, I totally missed like a spot. Okay. Then we're going to do the exact same for the other eye. Just gonna okay. And then just like before, slowly go up and then back down and fill it in. And boom. Now you have both of your wings so you can fly away. Okay. Now, to complete your eye look, just take some of the eyeshadow, take some of your mascara, and poke it up. Ow. Oh, and trust me, if I had the color yellow, I would have done black and yellow, obviously, because I'm a bee. Okay. And now, I'm going to take the mascara yet again, brush it off, and then and then you look like a monkey, then you push it down and down. You do the same with the other. And you push it down and down. Now, you're going to take the lipstick, pop it out, and then this is where the fun happens. You're going to smear it. this time you're gonna like really drag it out. Boom. I like to overline my lips for the full glamorous makeup. Boom. Now, you're just going to apply your beautiful glitter gloss to your lips, very overlined lips, and, you know, okay. Now the other top lip. You might need to dip it a few times because the basic. Wow, I look fake. To top it all off, this is like last time, except this is the actual ending. We're just gonna highlight, more highlighter, highlight down the middle, highlight down here, and here, and here, and highlight here, and boom. Now, taking your beauty blender, shove it up, whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, and now we have completed the look. Stuck in my hair. Okay. Boom. Now we have completed the look. Woo. Have you forgot something? Yes, you have forgotten the most important part of this video. You take your bee, and this time instead of you jamming out, you're going to have an epic dance party. Yeah, yeah. This is B signing off. Buzz buzz!